Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening SQL Server Management Studio and connecting to the target instance. Once connected, navigate to the database containing your tables. Make sure the parent table has a primary key and the child table has the column you intend to link. This is essential because foreign keys reference indexed primary keys. If permissions are missing, request alter and references rights from your DBA before proceeding. Now, open Object Explorer and locate the child table to begin adding the foreign key constraint. You should open the child table in Table Designer and choose Relationships. Once added, set the foreign key tables and columns properties to map the child column to the parent primary key. Make sure to name the constraint clearly, for example, FK child parent, so future maintenance is easier. Configure referential actions. Choose Cascade for automatic deletes or SET null when you want to preserve orphan rows. No action prevents accidental deletions. Finally, validate column data types. Match exactly to avoid errors when applying. Once done, save the Table Designer. SQL Server will run alter table add constraint to create the foreign key. If the save fails, inspect error messages. Common causes include existing orphan rows in the child, mismatched data types, or missing indexes on the parent key. To fix orphans, run a query to identify or delete them, then retry. As a best practice, use a scripted alter table inside a transaction so you can roll back safely if something goes wrong. This preserves data integrity during changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.